again with another video. Today's video is gonna be short-ish. This is just an update on my Pallet bed frame. I got the mattress and I'm currently sitting on the bed, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I put on the mattress and just fix it up to make sure it fit properly on the frame. But if you haven't, check out how I made my Pallet bed. I'm gonna post a link right here, so you can click the link. You can click the link right now. Yes, click the link and it's gonna just show you guys how I made the frame from start to finish. And yeah, so once you're done watching that, we're just gonna get on into showing you guys how I put on the mattress on the bed frame, and we'll be back. Yes, that's how I put on the bed, and it fit perfectly. And I was like, oh my gosh, thank the Lord, because everybody keep telling me, oh, the frame looks small for a full size, and I'm just like, I measured it precisely, literally measured it precisely. So with everybody telling me, the frame looks so small for your full size, and I'm just like, I hope when this mattress comes it fits, and it did. And the bed frame is still up and running, so I did a great job with having a sturdy frame, thank God. But yeah, so that's just my bed, and I'm glad of how it came out. So our next video will be posted next week, and don't forget to subscribe and let all your friends know, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.